Sarge, why we always gotta listen to this shit for anyway?
'Cause I'm in charge, that's why.
Oh, it don't seem like no good kind of reason to me. Possibly anyway. Hey, what's that?
Hold on a second. Steamroller!
Looks like you mashed some poor feller's dog, Sarge.
It's a Zerglin, Lester. Smaller type of Zerg. But he can be out this far unless... Oh, shit.
I love you, Sarge.
Receiving incoming transmission. Comlink established.
I got your message, Magistrate. And frankly, I don't care what you have to say about Confederate regulations. You damn fringe world yokels are all alike. Don't know where your loyalties lie. Y'all have a real good day now, you hear?
Transmission ended. The report you requested is ready. 16 outland stations have reported sightings of the alien invaders identified as Zerg. The Confederates have arrested all standing militia forces and continue to avoid action against the Zerg. 3 stations have fallen to the Zerg already. We've been unable to locate any source of military relief except the extremist faction known as the Sons of Korhal. Their liaison is holding online.
Good day, Magistrate. My name is Arcturus Mensk, and I represent the Sons of Korhal. You're familiar with the Confederate propaganda surrounding my group, but your reputation suggests you'll see past it. It's never been our practice to operate in any one place for long, but these Zerg don't look like they're going to wait. I'm going to make you an offer, Magistrate. I'd like to help you out by sending down a number of transports to your colony and evacuating any survivors. You know, of course, that my organization operates outside the bounds of Confederate law. That's why they spread their lies and misinformation. If you decide to accept our help, you'll be branded as an outlaw too. But it's a chance to save those people. Time to make a stand, Magistrate.
Ending transmission. Priority alert. Evacuation zone under attack by Zerg forces. Distress beacon activated at 12:20.
I read you.
Hey, this thing's on
Not
fire.
enough minerals.
You ought to send an SCV out here to repair it. You can fix my bike up too while he's at it. I dig.
Give me something to shoot. Commander. SCV good to go, sir. Go, go, go. Reporting for duty. Right away, sir. Commander, go, go, go. We can take cover in these bunkers if things get too dicey. Affirmative. Orders, Captain? Commander.
Yeah? Oh,
Check up and good to go. Rock and roll. Outstanding.
yeah? I reach it, sir. Oh, is that it?
SCV good to go, sir. Affirmative.
Not enough minerals.
Right away, sir. Orders received. Affirmative. Roger that. Affirmative. Orders received. Roger that. Right away, sir. Roger that. Right away, sir. I
Not
read you.
enough minerals.
Roger that. Orders, Captain? Give me something to shoot. Standing by. SCV good to go, sir. Job's finished.
Not enough
I read
minerals.
you. Reporting for duty. Orders received.
Yeah?
Not enough minerals.
Orders, Captain? Affirmative. Yes, sir? I read you. Yes, sir?
Base is under attack.
Reporting for duty. Orders received. I read you.
I read you, sir.
Job finished. Orders, Captain? Orders received. Checked up and good to go. Outstanding. SCV good to go, sir. Orders received. Roger that.
Not enough minerals.
Affirmative.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
SCV good to go, sir.
Not enough minerals.
I read you.
I read you, sir.
SCV good to go,
Additional
sir.
supply depots
Affirmative.
required. Not enough
Roger
minerals.
that. Standing by. Rock and roll.
What are you on? I dig. No
Job
problem.
Reporting for duty.
Not enough minerals.
Oh, is that it?
Job's finished.
Yeah, I'm going. I dig. Oh, is that it?
SCV good to go, sir. Standing by. I read you. Roger
Our
that.
forces are under attack.
No problem. Oh, is that it? Something on your mind?
Checked up and good to go. Yes, sir? Standing by.
I read you, sir. Oh, is that it? I dig. No problem.
SCV good to go, sir.
Oh, is that it?
Orders, Captain? Affirmative. Standing by. Reporting for duty. Checked up and good to go.
Not enough minerals.
Commander. You want a piece of me, boy? Right away, sir.
Base is under attack.
I read you. Orders, Captain? Standing by.
Base is under attack. Upgrade complete.
Give me something to shoot.
What are you on? I read you,
You want a piece of me, boy? SCV good to go, sir. Roger that. Commander, give me something to shoot. You want a piece of me,
I
boy?
read you, sir.
Standing by.
What are you on?
SCV good to
Yeah,
go,
I'm
sir.
going. No problem. Oh,
You want a
is that
piece of
it?
me, boy? Checked up and good to go. I read you. Reporting for duty. SCV good to go,
Additional
sir.
supply depots required.
I read you.
Yeah?
Yes, sir?
Something on your mind?
Checked up and good to go. Yes, sir? Roger that.
Something on your mind? Yeah, I'm going.
Reporting for duty.
What are you on? Yeah, I'm going. Something on
Add-on
your
complete.
mind?
Additional supply depots required.
Reporting for duty. Yes, sir?
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
SCP good to go, sir.
Upgrade complete.
All right, bring it on.
I read you. SCV good to go, sir. Right away, sir.
Base is under attack.
All right, bring it on.
I read you. I read you.
Research complete. Not enough minerals.
Roger that. Orders, Captain? Roger that.
All right, bring it on. All
Not
right,
enough
bring it
minerals.
on. Something on your mind?
Orders, Captain? I read you. I read you.
All right,
Not enough
bring it
additional
on.
supply depots
Report for
required.
duty.
Not enough minerals.
What do you want?
Additional supply depots required.
Job's finished.
All right, bring it on.
Additional supply
Orders,
depots
Captain?
required.
Affirmative.
What do you want?
Job's finished. Orders, Captain?
Upgrade complete.
Yes, sir.
Something on your mind? All right, bring it on. Yeah? Yeah? No problem. Oh, is that it? No problem. Oh, is that it? All right, bring it on.
Base is under attack.
No problem. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. No problem. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. I dig. No problem. Oh, is that it? I dig. No problem. Oh, is that it? No problem. I dig. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. No problem. Yeah, I'm going. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. I dig. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. I dig. Oh, is that it? No problem.
Orders, Captain? Affirmative.
Yeah? No problem. Yeah, I'm going. No problem. Yeah, I'm going. No problem. Yeah, I'm going. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. Yeah? Something on your mind? Oh, is that it?
Reporting for duty. Right away, sir.
Something on your mind? Yeah, I'm going. I dig. Yeah, I'm going. I dig. Yeah, I'm going. Oh, is that it? No problem. Oh, is that it?
Job's finished. Reporting for duty.
I read you, sir. No problem. Oh, is that it? No problem. I dig. No problem. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah? What do you want?
I read you.
Something on your mind?
Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty. Affirmative.
What do you want? Oh, is that it?
Base is under attack.
Yeah, I'm going. Yeah? I dig. No problem. Oh, is that it? I dig. No problem. Oh, is that it?
Base is under
Yeah,
attack.
I'm going. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going.
Your forces are under attack.
I dig. Yeah, I'm going. Yes, sir. Orders
Your
received.
forces are under attack.
Report for duty. Yes, sir. Roger that. I read
Base is
you.
under
No
attack.
problem. Oh, is that it? No problem. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. Orders received.
10 minutes until dropship arrival.
Oh,
Your
is
forces
that
are
it?
under attack.
Yeah? No problem. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. I dig. No problem. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going.
Your forces are under attack.
What do you want? No problem. Yeah? Oh, is that it? I reach you, sir. Oh, is that it? Yes, sir. Orders, Captain? Roger that. I read you, sir. Oh, is that it? I read you. Yeah? I dig. Job finished. I read you. Affirmative. All right.
Your
Bring it
forces
on.
are under attack.
Yeah? I dig. Something on your mind? I dig. No problem. I reach you,
Your forces
sir.
are under attack.
Yeah, I'm going. What do you want? I dig. I reach you, sir. I reach
Your
you.
forces are under attack.
Yeah? No problem. Yeah, I'm going. All right, bring it on. Something on your mind? Yeah? Yes, sir? Job finished.
Base is under
What do
attack.
you want? Oh, is that it? No problem. Roger that. What do you want? No problem. Yeah? I dig. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. Oh, is that it? I dig. No problem. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. I reach you, sir.
Base
I
is
dig.
under attack.
Yeah, I'm going. I dig. No problem. Oh, is that it? Something on your mind?
5 minutes until dropship arrival.
What do you want? I dig. I read you,
Your
sir.
forces are under
Oh,
attack.
is that it? I dig. Oh, is that it? All right, bring it on. What do you want?
Standing by. Go, go, go. Let's move.
All right, bring it
Base
on.
is under attack.
I read you, sir. Something on your mind? Yeah, I'm going. Yeah? I read you, sir. All right, bring it on. No problem. What are you on?
Rock and roll.
Yeah? Oh, is that it? No problem. Oh, is that it? No problem. What are you on?
Outstanding.
No problem. Oh, is that it? I dig. I read you, sir.
Outstanding.
I read you, sir.
Your forces are under attack.
I read you, sir. Yeah? Oh, is that it? All right, bring it on. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah? Oh, is that it?
Your forces are under attack.
Standing by. Go, go, go.
What are you on? Yeah? What are you on? Yeah, I'm going.
1 minute until dropship arrival.
I dig. Something on your mind? I dig.
Standing by. Go, go, go.
I read you.
Your forces are under attack.
Outstanding. Go, go, go.
Yeah, I'm going.
Let's move. Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Let's move. Outstanding. Rock and roll.
Our dropships approaching.
Job finished.
Strap yourselves in, boys.